What's up, investors? It's the Russian Dude, and in a couple of minutes you'll know his competitive advantage. And if you want to learn personal finances and investing watching such short videos, please consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel so you won't lose it. Thank you so much, and let's get straight to the point. Alright, so a competitive advantage is a factor that allows a company to produce goods or services of a better quality, faster and cheaper. Competitive advantage allows companies to maximize their profit margins. And if you're not sure what profit margin means, feel free to watch one of my previous videos. And here is an example. Some of the most common competitive advantages would be brand recognition, access to advanced technology, highly skilled labor, and unique geographical location. Though there are many more factors that can be considered as competitive advantages. Let's say so, you're a seafood producer, and being located next to the water is your competitive advantage. Because you'll be able to cut your distribution costs significantly, and you will be able to deliver the freshest seafood possible. Or, for example, brand recognition. If you are one of the bigger companies, such as for example Coca-Cola, you can spend less percentage of money for advertising and marketing in comparison to smaller companies who still need to capture their market shares. Almost everyone knows about Coca-Cola. Therefore, by reducing your marketing costs, you will be able to increase profit margins. The stronger your competitive advantage is, the harder it is for another company to beat it. In the example of above mentioned Coca-Cola, it will be extremely hard, almost impossible for any other soda manufacturer to capture Coke's market share. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions left. Check my other video series, anything else interesting for you. Thank you so much, товарищ!